Hello, welcome back to today class. This class is a MCQ class for TET, CTET, UP TET, HP TET, DSSB and all teaching exams. Today topic is multiple choice drill on psychology. Let's crack it together. Best of luck to solve these questions. Questions are very important and interesting based on development. Question number one: which of the following principles suggests that different body parts develop at different rates at various stages of development? Option A: development is unidimensional. B: development is unidirectional. C: development is a discontinuous process. D: direction of development is proximodistal and cephalocode. Right option is option number D. Direction of development is proximodistal and cephalopodal. Second question, question number 2. As per contemporary perspectives, the course of child development is A. Uniform across children and specific milestones are definitely achieved by all children as they reach a certain age. B. Multiple directional since children grow up in varying contexts. C. Completely unpredictable even though development is unidirectional for all. D. Determined solely by hereditary information received from parents. The right answer is option number B, multidirectional, since children grow up in varying context. इसका हम हिंदी वर्जन भी लेके आएंगे. कमेंट सेक्शन में अगर आप कमेंट करेंगे तो हम हिंदी में भी इसको लेके आएंगे. Question number 3. Development of children proceeds from dash to dash. A. Abstract to concrete. B. General to specific. C. Toe to head. D. Extremities to center. So right answer is option number B. General to specific. Development of children proceed from general to specific. Now next question. Question number 4 is on your screen. So question number 4. Development is dependent upon. Development is depending upon which factor? Uniform across children and specific milestones are definitely achieved by all children as they reach a certain age. Multidirectional, since children grow up in varying contexts. Completely unpredictable, even though development is unidirectional for all. Option number D, determined solely by hereditary hereditary information received from parents. So the right answer of this question is, wait a minute, you can guess it and I will tell you the answer. So there are, I think, 2 to 3 answers of this question. Option number A, B, C is the correct answer of this question. Now switching to the question number 5. Question number 5 says development changes. How does development changes? Okay, विकास क्या क्या बदलाव है, विकास के बदलाव क्या है? Occur at a universal pace in children across culture. B. Occur at a very fast pace till middle childhood and then stop. C. Always occur in a linear manner and are unidimensional. D. Are an interplay of hereditary factor and environmental influences. So this is a very good game. So you can choose your option and I will reveal the answer after few seconds. Option number D is the right answer. Are an interplay of hereditary factors and environmental influences. Question number 6. In the context of development of children, it is correct to say that, A. Everything is determined by genes. B. Everything is determined by the environment. C. Both nature and nurture play an interactive role. D. Three-fourths of traits are inborn while environment accounts for the rest. So as usual, you can pause the video or take your time to answer this question. The right answer is option number C. Both nature and nurture play an interactive role for the development of children. Which principle of development does the following example illustrate? 7. Question number 7. The development of a child does not take a straight path. It turns back and then moves forward. again. A. Principle of uniformity. B. Principle of spiral advancement. C. Development is unidirectional. D. Development is discontinuous. Take your time to answer this question. The development of answer is B. Principle of spiral advancement. Now question number 8. Contemporary theorists consider childhood as a social construction, B. as a scared period in all culture, C. as a period of great stress and anxiety, D. as a period of development till the age of puberty. So answer is asked in a simple pattern. Contemporary theorists consider that childhood is a period of which it is a period of social construction. It is a period of social construction. Ninth question. Select the statement about development that is not correct. A. Development is multidimensional and multidirectional. B. Development is not affected by cultural changes. C. Development is a lifelong process of change. D. Development follows a predictable pattern. So, take your time to answer this question. So, right option is the option number B. Development is not affected by the cultural changes. Okay, there is no effect of cultural changes in development. Which stage of development is characterized by lot of hormonal changes and an active search for identity? This is a very easy question. I hope you all may answer this question. A. Adolescence. B. Infancy. C. Childhood. D. Middle childhood. Okay, C is early childhood, D is middle childhood. So the right option here, take your time to answer this question. You can pause the screen and answer the question. A is the right option of this question, right answer of this question also. So this is all about today's GK. If you want to touch in with us, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.